Dr. Palash, pediatrician, Bhubaneswar. Today, the entire world is gripped by the pandemic of coronavirus. All the countries are being affected. There's a horde of messages. Every morning we wake up to deaths, so many people being affected, so many healthcare professionals being affected. Our entire country is in a lockdown. There's so many information, so much to process. But as per me, just three things work the best. Number one, social distancing. Please maintain a distance of at least 1 meter from anyone who has any respiratory symptoms, cough, sneezing, breathing difficulty, because that person might be suffering from the same virus. Number two, and most important, stay at home. That has been very well ensured by the government, by the state as well as the central government. So do stay at home, do not venture out if until and unless it is not absolutely necessary. What's also important is please avoid hospitals for routine visits, for routine immunizations. Just stay at home. And finally, wash your hands 20 seconds, 6 steps, which should include all the areas of your hand as many times as possible, especially when you are coming out of home and when you return back to home, or when you hold something, we touch something which has come from outside. So since coronavirus, it spreads by fomites. But apart from this, which you already know, I would draw your attention towards the staying at home. Now, as we all know, this is a tough time, staying for 21 days at home, unable to go out, unable to work out, unable to meet our friends. A big challenge on our mental health as well. So I would rather suggest make the most out of it. It's like a holiday which we never expected. Like it's for children, it's like the summer vacations which have been preponed. And for working mothers especially, it's like those times where you get to see your children. It's very difficult working from home as well as taking care of children, taking care of the house in the absence of household help. But make the most out of it. Spend time with your kids. See them develop, see them play. Also, find out certain time for yourself. Try to revisit those old hobbies which you have forgotten in this daily life. Try to make the most out of it. Coronavirus scare will go away, and hopefully it will not affect us a lot if our lockdown works properly. But let us make the most out of it. Let us have some happy memories which will make us strong, which will help us fight against this pandemic.